Alright, today we're just going to be testing a new addition to the family. Over this past week, we got a Big Joe 3. I just got this set up yesterday, did a quick test burn in it. Just going to do some baby back ribs today. It's what I had in the freezer, so just get these cut open. See if there's anything that needs cut off. Right, then if you watch my other video about what to do with the membrane for the time it takes and how simple it is, just score the membrane 45 degree every inch or so. And then I like to come back and do the opposite direction also. So you can see what that looks like. Dry them off just a bit, not completely. We're not going to use a binder or anything. And nothing to trim off the meat side, so let me go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, today we're just going to use Honey Hog by Meat Church. Get the bottom side first. Get these in the fridge. We'll get the Kamado Joe heating up. Put a few smaller pieces of oak in. And use our sous vide gun to start the fire. I'm going to start it about right here, and the fire will move itself back. Right, we're going to let that go, vents wide open to start with, until we get up to temp, and then we'll come put everything together. We've got the Joe heat soaked, so we're going to close off our lid. Set that to the first stripe. So, there we go. Okay, we've got it to hold 225 pretty steadily, so I am going to go ahead and put the ribs on. All right, keep an eye on the temp. We'll check back in here in a few hours. So real quick, I just want to bring it back. I haven't opened the lid, haven't touched the ribs, not anything to it yet. I did have, my temperatures were getting a bit high, 240, 245. So I closed this just a little bit more to stop the heat from getting out. And then down here, I took that down to a 1-finger opening instead of a 2-finger opening. And since then, my temperature has been falling steadily back down to the upper 225s. In about another hour, I probably will go ahead and open it, give it a quick spray of water and apple cider vinegar. I'll bring you back for that. All right, it's been roughly 3 hours. Haven't opened the grill yet, so let's open it up, see what we have. Got some nice color. Just for fun, let's get a temp inside. 162. Going good. I'm going to get some spray. Here I just have apple cider vinegar and water 50-50 mix. All right, we'll probably let this go for another hour, hour and a half, and then we'll bring it back to wrap. Lay out 2 sheets of heavy-duty foil. Spread some unsalted butter on the foil. I prefer to use honey here instead of brown sugar. Place the ribs meat side down on the foil. And then give the ribs a spray with the apple cider vinegar and water mixture. And then wrap everything back up. Put them back on the grill, meat side down. Okay, the ribs have been wrapped for about an hour. It's time to take them off. These are plenty tender without wanting to fall apart. Just how they should be. So I'm going to go ahead and get some sauce on these. I have a little bit of Duke's Southern Sauces, Carolina Gold. Go ahead and get this used up. And I'm not going for competition. I don't care about brush strokes, so I'm just going to use my brush here to get this spread around. Okay, go ahead and get this back on, let it tack up. Let that go for about 15 minutes. I was just getting ready to pull these off and Kyle came downstairs. Figured I'd let him try them instead of me. Get these pulled off. All right, Kyle, get you one cut. There we go. We'll step around here. It does have a sauce on it you might not be a big fan of, but we'll see.
It's really good.
So you like that sauce?
A lot, actually.
Okay, that's honey mustard. So this is my first cook. Just got it put together the other day. Kyle's a big fan. I screwed up and already ate lunch, so I'll just have these for leftover. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have anything to say.